The process begins by choosing the location of the pull, almost always centered on drawers. The holes on the handle are measured, and the sliding drill guides are set to match, centered on the hardware jig. Covering the fixed center bushing with a piece of tape helps avoid accidental drilling. The drawer is measured for width and the center point marked. And the mark can be squared across the top of the drawer using the jig itself. Note the use of painter's tape to prevent marking on the actual drawer. The drawer height is measured next, and the large stop on the hardware jig is set to half of that dimension, in this case 4 inches. The jig is then carefully aligned to the center mark drawn on the drawer front, and held firmly in place as the holes are drilled using the guide bushings. A peck drilling technique is used to get the best quality holes. The bit is withdrawn from the hole regularly to allow clearing of the chips. This technique works well for a single drawer or a series of drawers of different widths. But for a bank of drawers of the same size, the extended ruler attachment makes the job quick and accurate. The drawer front gets measured to find the center point, but there's no need to mark it. A small piece of tape to cover the center drill guide prevents it being used by mistake. And the sliding drill bushings can be positioned to match the hole locations on the hardware. Attach the extended ruler to the hardware jig using the double bracket. And the 2 scales can be used as one when both are lined up to the same number. The sliding end stop is then set on the extended ruler attachment according to the drawer measurement, in this case 11 5/16 inches. The drawer front is measured for height, and the large stop on the jig is set to 1/2 of that dimension, 4 inches for this drawer. All drawers of the same size can now be drilled using this setup. The sliding end stop will ensure consistency across all the drawer fronts. Drilling carefully using the provided bit and frequently backing the bit out to clear chips will give excellent results with your drilling. The hardware drilling jigs from True Position Tools allow professionals and homeowners to get excellent results the first time and every time.